Today I'm going to walk you through how to replace the Sentry III controller. First of all, you want to unplug the unit so there's no power to it. Once that's done, you want to remove the screws. Once the screws are removed, you're going to need either a pair of needle nose pliers or a flathead screwdriver. Once the screws are out, pull out the Sentry III. At this point, you can use the needle nose pliers. Take them out. When we ship out the parts, you'll be getting a wiring diagram. That way you can know where all the connections go for the new Sentry III. This one I like using the flathead screwdriver to make sure that all the connections are good and not loose. Just push them down. You might come across this issue, but this is the fan wire. It usually kind of hides back there, so make sure you get them all in there. Again, make sure they're all making good connection. Once you have them all in there, move all the wires out of the way, slide it back in there, and screw it back down. If you have any questions, again, you can visit us at Breezaire.com. Give us a call at 858-566-7465. And that's how you replace the Sentry III controller, and you're okay to fire the unit back up. Thank you.